Hello, my dear fourth sem students. I am T. Satish, Associate Professor in Physics, Kotesha College, Kotur. In the last class, I have told about the rectilinear propagation of light. In that, the intensity at P is only 1/4 of amplitude, that due to the first of a zone. Today I am going to tell about the zone plate. What is a zone plate? Zone plate is a specially constructed diffraction screen such that light is cut off from every alternative zones. So one zone will be transparent, another zone is opaque. So how the zone plate will be constructed? The construction of a zone plate is such that, let us consider one white sheet. Draw the concentric circles having root 1, root 2, root 3. So by taking the value of radius root 1, root 2, root 3, let us draw the circles on a white sheet. Next, paint. Let us paint odd number zones 1, 3, 5. Next, sir, the odd number zones are painted black as shown in figure 1. Here is the figure 1. So odd number zones 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 are painted with black. And take the reduced photograph. The negative becomes like this. 1 becomes transparent, 2 becomes opaque. Similarly, like this. So figure A, in figure A, 1, 3, 5 are blocked. In the figure B, 2, 4, 6 are blocked. When the central zone is transparent, that is white, the zone plate is called positive zone plate. When the central zone is transparent, opaque. When the central zone is opaque, wrong, this is wrong, opaque, black, the zone plate is called negative zone plate. Now let us go for theory of zone plate. So here is the zone plate. The zone plate will be like this. Here is the transparent, opaque, like this. Here is the zone plate XY. XY is the zone plate. And this is perpendicular to the plane of the paper. S is the source. S is the point source of light at a distance A. From the zone plate. Let us consider another point P. P is the position of the screen at a distance B. From the zone plate. Here is the zone plate. Here is the S. Here is the P. A and B are the distances. The intensity at P can be determined. You have to find out the intensity at P. You know lambda. Lambda is the wavelength of the monochromatic light. So M1 is the R1, radius of the first zone. OM2, second zone. OM3 is the third zone. OM1, R1, OM2, R2, OM3, R3, etc. are the radii of the first, second and third off-grid zones. This is an increase in path difference from one zone to the next zone. Now let us consider SO. You know SO. SO is A and OP. SO is A, OP is B. SO plus OP is equal to A plus B. In the similar way, second one, S1 M1 plus M1P. S1 S M1 M1P. Here the value will be B plus lambda by 2. So S M1 plus M1P is equal to A plus B plus lambda by 2. In the similar way, in the last nth zone, for nth zone, S Mn plus Mnp is equal to A plus B plus n lambda by 2 is the equation 1. Now let us consider one of the triangle S M1O. From that, S M1 square is equal to SO square plus O M1 square. S M1 is equal to square root of A square plus R1 square. S Mn is equal to square root of A square plus Rn square. In the similar way, let us consider another triangle OM1P. M1P square is equal to OP square plus OM1 square. M1P is equal to square root of B square plus R1 square. M1P is equal to square root of B square plus M1 square. Let us consider equation 2 and 3. From these two equations, substitute the values here. In the equation number 1. So you will get the corresponding equations. After simplification, you will get 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to n lambda by Rn square. This formula is similar to the Lenz formula. What is the Lenz formula? The Lenz formula will be 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. What is U? U is the object distance, V is the image distance from the convex lens, F is the focal length. So let us compare these two formulas, this one and this one. So 1 by A is equal to 1 by U and 1 by B is equal to 1 by V and 1 by F is equal to n lambda by Rn square. Hence, you can write Fn is equal to Rn square by n lambda. The focal length of zone plate. This Fn gives the focal length of the zone plate. Thus, zone plate acts like a convex lens. You can say the zone plate acts like a convex lens because both the formulas will be nearly same. So we have some problems. Problem 1, problem 2, problem 3, problem 4. And this is very important. Comparison between the zone plate and the convex lens. You can call it as the convergent lens also. Here, the first point, the distance of the object and the image are connected together by the similar formula in both the cases. For convex lens, 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. And in case of zone plate, 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to n lambda by Rn square. Second point, convex lens has only one focus. After refraction, all the rays focus at a single point. But in zone plate, after diffraction, the rays will focus at different points. Third one, the rays are brought to focus by refraction. The process will be refraction in case of convex lens, but in case of zone plate, the image formed due to the diffraction. In case of lens, Fr is greater than Fe. Fr andre focal length for the red, focal length for the violet. But in zone plate, Fr is less than Fe. Next, in the case of convex lens, all the waves are in phase at the image, but in the zone plate the waves travel in a different in phase. These are the differences between the zone plate and the convex lens. Thank you.